everyone. I am Vemu Karthik, a BTech final year student from the Department of CSC background. I had the opportunity to do an internship at Unified Mentor for the role of data analyst intern. At, here at Unified Mentor, they taught very good, and they first told me how the about the basics of Python, and later data cleaning, data exploration, data extraction, and everything, and the other stuff regarding the data cleaning in Python. And they also taught me the Tableau and data visualizations, and how the Tableau is used in data visualizations, different modules in Tableau, and other stuff in at the Unified Mentor. They taught us very good, excellent teaching, and I thought it's a very good place to work, to gain experience. And they gave us the real world examples and real world data sets to work on with, and overall it's a great platform to learn and do something. I feel it's a pretty good area where we can learn many things, and I suggest others to do an internship here and part do well. And thank you.